This is a new 2014 Ford Explorer, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, premium rims, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Smith Ford of Lowell is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1777 East Commercial Avenue, Lowell, Indiana 46356.